Silicone Cooking Utensils Kitchen Utensil Set, MIBOTE 11 pieces Acacia Wooden Cooking Tool Turner Tongs Spatula Spoon for Non-Stick Cookware, Best Kitchen Tools Gadgets, Green. 100% non-corrosive and hard-wearing, our cooking utensils are made from the highest quality materials. Food-grade silicone is safe to use for any type of food. It does not react with food or beverages or produce any hazardous fumes. As such, they are longer lasting than other kitchen utensils. 100% highest quality silicone, FDA-approved silicone heads cannot scratch or damage non-stick cooking pots, pans, and woks like metals do. This makes them very friendly when dealing with non-stick surfaces. Cooking with the non-stick silicone utensil set will protect your cookware from any scratches. 100% premium wooden handle, pushing the boundary of modern culinary gadgets. Light and renewable wooden cookware handles provide protection against rust and thawing. A utility hanging hole on each wooden handle for convenient storage organization using hooks or a wall mount. 100% high heat resistant, FDA approved and BPA free. Our silicone tips are ultra heat resistant up from -40 degrees Fahrenheit -446 degrees Fahrenheit. You do not have to worry they will melt if you accidentally leave them in the pot for a while. Non-stick and stain resistance attributes made for hassle-free cleanup. 100% complete cooking set, this 11-piece kitchen utensil set will satisfy all your needs for cooking. Every one of them has its unique use. It would be your great companion in the kitchen. Elevate your kitchen and prepare to savor these unique kitchenware as much as the food itself.